What the fuck, Nima?
I was gathering trash and threw away my pride. She looked lost in this world, help her find a ride. She said she loved me, I text back, I probably still wouldn't trust a bitch if I tried. Man, this shit got my head spinning like a turbine. Like, when will I stop grinding? The day I die. She say from my heart is beating fast, you should hear mine. I just got a text, he say I am one. I swear I had to reply, I miss you too. I swear I feel so weird without her, like I'm missing too. Rise to riches real, I'm the living proof. If I do it, they gon' do it just cause Bonnie did it. Why Dougie tryna kill this bitch just cause Bonnie hit her? I keep my pool close, I would never trust a nigga. And I know Ty won't think twice to bust a nigga. So every day, I'm tryna up 6 figures. Just say your AC, you wanna get rich with us. I was gathering trash and throw away my pride. She looked lost in this world, help her find a ride. She said she loved me, I text back, this shit got my head spinning like a turbine. I swear that I knew it was love from the first time. Love from the first time. I swear that they gon' try to do it just cause Bonnie did it. I need them blue bills bad, I'm addicted. Sick to myself, they go to whichever team wins. Collect the hands, I've been focused on statistics. I love the game, right now I'm knee deep in it. I almost made the president give 6 digits. Best believe you got a prize coming if you hold me down. When it's crunch time, you ain't never seen Kobe smile. I just killed 4 to 7 days straight, let's leave the town. Draco got some bullets that's related to a crocodile. I was gathering trash and threw away my pride. She looked lost in this world, help